Hello ma'am, my name is Dhaval Pandav. I am from collegejournal.com. A very warm welcome to our interview series which is called Thoughts on Education, where we interview with the various dignitaries such as owners, VCs, principals, HODs and teachers. Before I proceed with this interview, I would request you to give brief introduction about yourself.
So I'm Dr. Rashmi Srivastava, currently working as course coordinator as well as associate professor in the Faculty of Pharmacy. Been teaching here since now around 17 years. Earlier I was in different colleges. So academics, association with academics is like 22 odd years now.
It was really nice knowing about you and your experience, ma'am. So my first question is, you have held key position at Education Institute throughout your professional career. So what keeps you connected with the education sector and how has been your experience so far with this institute?
Education, I feel, is a profession wherein you can always be aligned with young minds, so you always interact with them, and this is somewhere you can always shape a future of our country. So I like being these young minds because they keep you updated, and there's no point that you can be sluggish and you're not updated. So that dynamics sparks which has lots of spark in this particular profession.
How does the curriculum of MET IOP ensure the students are being prepared for the future?
So various programs are run apart from academics, apart from curriculum. We have number of people coming. So there are alumni, there are industry speakers, so that we can always identify need which is there between academia and industry. To fulfill that need, we even conduct lots of programs wherein students, they keep themselves updated by doing research survey, by participating in various research conventions, even extracurricular activities, so that they are good team builders.
What would you like people to know about your institute they may not know?
So we have efficient staff. Our staff is more than like they are working here since the inception of the college. So that speaks volume of about the college. Supportive management. We have infrastructural facility which takes care of every student to be working efficiently, and we have even non-teaching staff which is very efficient, and they are very good with their work.
What are some of the biggest challenges you face in terms of higher education and in general with our institute?
I feel the biggest challenge is to come up with a curriculum which is designed in such a way which takes care of academics and industry, so that we can bridge the gap between these two. And one more thing which I strongly feel about, that students should not be overburdened, so that they learn with ease, and once they are industry ready, they should be very well prepared to serve the society to the fullest.
Any suggestion you would like to give to the current youth and aspiring students?
Yes, of course, because I feel they are future of India, and as a associate professor, I teach one subject which is universal human values, and I come across students wherein I find that there are lot more concerns other than studies. So I feel that all students should be taken care by the teachers as mentors in order to shape up their career as well as life ahead in future.
It was pleasure talking to you and interviewing in Thoughts on Education, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.